In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to make a straight line here in Canva. Now there's two different options that we can use. We can use a Canva line or we can use graphics. So if we come over to elements just here, let me just go back one like that. But if we come to elements, then to shapes and see all, we have all of these lines just here, which we can use. If we click on one of them, we can actually adjust this line by clicking on the end and dragging along, making it longer or making it shorter. We can also change the color up here, and we can also change the border weight. So that's one way to make a straight line. The other way is by using the graphics. So if we come back over to elements, then if we type in line just like that and come to graphics, we can also use photos just here, but let's click on graphics because we can use one of these lines as well. Just be aware that you can't adjust like a Canva line. So if we try and make this longer, because it's a graphic, this line is also going to get thicker. But nonetheless, that's just how simple it is to make a straight line here in Canva. Now, if you found this video helpful at all, then please consider giving me a like, as it really helps out the channel. And if you're not too sure what to watch next, click right here and watch this playlist.